If you watch any of my other episodes, you know that I don't only like to show what's on the market, I like to show things that come off the market. Because there's no better way to know the market than to know what just came off. So we're gonna take a trip, fresh off our Upper East Side neighborhood guide. We right back in the Upper East Side. We in Lenox Hill, looking at a home that just came off the market for 4.2 million. As we step in, we're immediately drawn straight ahead. You have these clean lines, tall ceilings, and you have this natural light that pulls in towards the living space. The kitchen has a warm modern feel. You have the Charoust oak cabinetry, Mont Blanc quartzite, and a full Miele setup. I think it feels elevated without doing too much. Now, from here, you're looking straight out over the Upper East Side. You have these midtown skyline views. The space is wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass, so that light really pours in. I believe it's the perfect blend between a quiet residential feel, but you have the city right there. As we make our way down the hall, we're going to come up on the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom keeps the same level of detail as the rest of the home. You have this custom vanity, stone finishes, and soft lighting. Adjacent to the guest bathroom, we have one of the secondary bedrooms. This secondary bedroom is styled as a home office, but of course you could style it the way you see fit. Now, to the primary suite on the eastern side of the home. You have this walk-in closet. I think this is very functional. You can style it the way you like. Then you have a primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is all about calm. You have the honed marble, radiant heated floors, and soft lighting. Then we make our way to the star of the home. A west-facing private balcony. Imagine watching the sunset over here. Beautiful views. It's peaceful, unexpected, and it gives the space a completely different feel, in my opinion, right off the primary suite. Before we finish the tour, let's go back near the entry off the foyer. There's another full bedroom. It has its own en-suite bath, perfect for guests. I think you could use this room as a quiet office, a guest room. It keeps the layout balanced and private. But we have 3 beds, 3 baths for 4.2 million and a forever evolving Lenox Hill. Just came off the market. You guys let me know what you think about this.